number 76, question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of the production on that day was 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So first of all, we are going to let the number of articles right here. Let the number of articles as equal to the x here. Now the cost of the article is, then the cost of article, the cost of article will be the 3 more than the price 3. So the cost of article will be the 3 more than twice the number of article produced. So first of all, 3 more means plus 3. Now twice the article produced. So the article product is as x and the twice we are having of that one is the 2x. So the cost of article will have 2x plus 3. Now as per the question, total cost we are having as equal to the 90. So I'm going to write here, we are having is the total cost as equal to the 90 here. So the cost will be the number of articles multiplied by cost of article, and this one we are having as equal to the 90. The number of article we have x and the cost of article we are having is the 2x plus 3 as equal to the 90. Now let's solve this one. This one we are having 2x square plus 3x is equal to the 90. Now we are going to transpose this 90 from right hand side to the left hand side. So this one will have the minus 90. Now the equation we are having is the 2x square plus 3x minus 90. Now we are going to solve this one by splitting the middle term. So we need to multiply this 2 with the 90 in the imaginary form. So this one we are having is the 180. Now we need two numbers. When we multiply we get 180. When we plus minus we get 3. So the two numbers we are having is 15 multiplied by 12 we are having as equal to the 180, and 15 minus 12 we are having as equal to the 3. So I'm going to split the middle term. I'm going to write here 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to the 0 we are having. Now I'm going to take the common. So we'll have x as the common. So the inside the bracket will have 2 x plus 50. Now here I'm going to take 6 as the common. So inside the bracket we'll have 6 2s are 12 and x, and we'll have plus here because we are taking the minus outside the bracket. Now here we'll have 6 1s are 6, we'll have 3 as the remainder, and 6 5s are 30. So this one we are having is the two factors, as the x minus 6 is the first factor we are having, second one we are having is the 2x plus 15. Now I'm going to solve them separately. So the first one we are having is the x minus 6 as equal to 0, and the second one we are having is the 2x plus 15 as equal to the 0. And here x is equal to the 6, and here we'll have 2x is equal to the 15 minus 15, and x is equal to the minus 15 by 2. So we cannot take minus 15 by 2 as the number of article. So we are going to take 6 as the number of articles. So we are going to write here, hence the number of articles produced is 6 we are having, and we have to write the cost of the article. So we are going to solve the equation we are having. So the equation for the cost of article we are having is the 2x plus 3. We are going to put the value of x. This one we are having 2 multiplied by value of x we are having the 6 plus 3. So this one we are having 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 we are having as equal to the 15. So the cost we are having is the 15. So we are going to write here cost of article we are having is the rupees 50, and the number of articles we are having is the 6. So this one we are having, we have to find the number of article produced and the cost of each article. We are having here is the 6 and rupees 50. So with this one, we have completed the question number 6 and the exercise 4.2. In the next video, we are going to start with the exercise 4.3.